Okay, let's review this new Air Force One SB Flax wheat colorway. It seems like SB's or Nike is going back to the classic colorways, but anyway, I'm a big fan of the new lineup of the Air Force Ones. Somehow you have a kind of a variation from the Nike Dunks, to be honest. So yeah, let's do this. The unboxing, kind of inspired by Timberland wheats actually, so hope we can get that vibe in here. So that's the box right there. Thank you for not destroying it. Okay, normal one, purple Nike SB, and the official colorway of this is Flax Black. Okay, so Nike SB Air Force One. So in my experience with the first Air Force One that Nike releases, I'm sticking to the same size of my Nike SB Dunks. So yeah, here you go. All right, hope you guys can see it on the top camera. Ooh, I think I like this than the first one, the old wood. I don't know. I'm giving really an autumn vibe here already. I like this, man. It's monochrome as always, but then you have the branding here that made the contrast, the black one, and also on the tongue. That's it. Actually, completely monochrome look, but the gum bottom, it's this always hits me. It's my bias, to be honest, so that really feels nice straight away. Hope you guys can see it. And that suede leather right there, overall panels looking good. I am liking this, and yeah, can't wait to do some lace swaps later on and some on-feet videos. You better stay tuned. Usual Nike SB stickers, and this is the other shoe. You can see it. Super nice. It really ghosted. Oh, there's a rubbing here. Oh, actually you can rub it off because it's the suede rubbing. Monochrome look, ghosted, swoosh. Digging this colorway, the basic ones. And you have an extra lace right there. A little bit darker. My honest opinion, I think it would create a little bit of pop. So let's take a look together on the pair. What do you guys think on the symmetry and the QC of my pair? I think they look really good, but oh my, kind of seeing some weird stuff here. Look, here it's kind of really smooth leather, and here it's completely suede. Seems like this kind of different shoe. So I hope you can see it here. This is completely smooth, and the other one is suede. So what about that? Did they swap this, or I don't know. You cannot really, I mean, if you look closely, you can really tell straight away that the different leather they're using. It's weird. Not happy about it, to be honest, because I'm super excited on the shoe. And the insoles, actually, they are also kind of nice. It's the same on the other one here. Also nice. But that really caught my attention. So different kind of leather. It's just so straight away looking at you here, especially on this side. It's so smooth, and here it's suede. Anyway, let's proceed. And I think my overall impression on this one is really good, and I want to put them on and let's see what's your verdict. Lace swaps, and then on feet, let's go. Okay guys, let's talk a little bit on the lace swap. I did not try different colors, I just tried the extra one and the default ones here, for the reason that the Nike Air Force One SBs is pretty new or pretty young in the market, so I cannot really find a lot of replacements on the internet. So that's a bad news for you. But anyway, let's talk a little bit on the extra and the defaults. If you would ask me, I would stick to the defaults because I want to maintain that monochrome look of these sneakers, and these are known for that look. Actually, even if you want to go back to the Air Force One, the normal one, and also with the Nike SB Dunks with Flax, the always kind of really fitting with the monochrome ghosted swoosh, and also the same with the lace. So that's personal opinion, but if you want a contrasty one, you can't go wrong as well with the extra lace. Okay, so that was about the lace swap. Now let's move into the on feet. Can't go wrong with dark jeans or any dark pants with this, but I prefer a much let's say a complementary color with the width, which is the blue, and I'm showing you right now the dark denim blue. Then later on, this is the destroyed light blue. And if you are a big fan of the black combo, you can also go wrong with the black corduroy. And then last but not the least, the black tapered denim jeans. Okay, let's talk about my overall impressions on the Nike Air Force One SB Flax colorway. Sizing wise, I always wear the same with my Nike SB Dunks. That's it. I have a small, narrow feet, so if you have a big one, then go half size up. Can't go wrong with it. And the quality control, quite disappointed. Of course, you saw it on my first video. I mean, the unboxing, that they have a different type of leathers that they're using on my pair. Really unfortunate, because I love the sneakers, to be honest. And speaking of sneakers, the colorway with Flax is pretty common in the Nike lineup. You can find it in the normal Air Force One, in the Nike SB Dunks, or the non-SBs. These are pretty common, so if you have them already, then what's the point of buying this? And just in case you want to skate them and this is your first with Flax colorway, then it would really make sense a lot. Like for example, me, I have the Nike SB Dunks wheat already, so quite redundant already to have this pair. And you know, the wheat Flax, they are really perfect for autumn colorway, so I would say these are the autumn sneakers if you want something like on the next season. All right, so those are my overall impressions on the Nike SB Air Force One. I hope you managed to get some information. I will see you next time. Peace out.